Hi, welcome to Tutorial. Yes, Tutorial for learning IT and English language with Udemy, YouTube, Blogger like that, Facebook and Twitter. Yes, here you can learn ESL, English as a second language, and IT tech. Yes, IT technology. You can learn here those things, and you can search my pages with Tutorial. Yes, Udemy, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Blogger, Instagram, Pinterest, and my website. You can search with Tutorial. Hi, welcome. Yes, we are going to see how to create a Facebook profile. Yes, let's see how is it. Creating a Facebook profile takes less than 5 minutes, and it is the first step needed when advertising on Facebook. Facebook requires that all advertising be done from a user account. To set one up, follow these simple steps in creating your own Facebook profile. Yes, it is my Facebook profile after creating all of things, but before that we have to do some steps. Let's see what it is. Yes, first you go to the browser, Google or anything else. You can search Facebook. Yes, after searching your site will be, and click on it. And first you have to do sign up. Yes, visit facebook.com, enter the required information and click sign up if you are not registered already. Yes, first you have to register these things: first name, surname, mobile number or email address, your new password, and your birthday, your gender as well. After that you have to give sign up button. If you have already created Facebook, yes, there will be show you like that. It is my Facebook name, that's why here it is showing. If not, you can sign up here. Right, okay. Second step, you have to add a profile picture on edit profile button. Yes, here is the button edit profile. In this button click and add some information and profile pictures, all of things you can give. And if you have photos on your computer, you can select, yes, click on it, add photo button and select one of photo. Yes, upload a photo and select, there is a button upload photo, click on it and go and choose one of it. Yes, here are so many photos. I have select one and after that open it and your photo will be here. Yes, it is my photo, and here you can put your name. Yes, name, your photo and all things will come. That's all. Yes, after that, step 3, you are done. Congratulations, you have created your own Facebook profile. You can now connect with your friends, share photos, videos, and create Facebook ads. What's next? You can create a fan page or start a Facebook event. Let's see. Okay, after that, your Facebook profile page like that, and after completing all of things, your profile page will be like that. It is my page. Okay, that's all, very simple.